Despite the abundance of wisdom through books and biographies, despite all religions and faiths that we claim we are believing in, and despite the fact of death confirming that eventually everything will come to an end, we are still having challenges to live a more complete and satisfying life. Pentapyramid will help you reflect on your overall holistic life and increase your readiness for a much better tomorrow by focusing on what really matters most by evoking questions like, what are you going to do with the time left in your life? Is what you are doing today in your life leading to where you want to be tomorrow? Are you achieving things in your life at the expense of other things that could be far more valuable to you? Are you lacking enjoyment in your life despite all that you possess? If you die this very moment, what will die with you? What dreams? What talents? What potentials? Imagine your life in a pentagonal pyramid shape. The base of the pyramid, horizontal, with 5 sides in the following order. 1. Physical dimension. 2. Spiritual dimension. 3. Social dimension. 4. Professional dimension. 5. Financial dimension. And this pyramid has 7 steps, vertical, in the following sequence. 1. Your intentions. 2. Your thoughts. 3. Your images. 4. Your words. 5. Your actions. 6. Your habits. 7. Your characters. Then the tip of the pyramid is your destiny. Pentapyramid concept is the result of searching, reading, training, traveling the world, interacting with people from different walks of life, listening to their stories, as well as reflecting on life's failure, success, pain, and joy, then connecting the dots. To know more and apply Pentapyramid concept in your life, visit www.pentapyramid.com.